We are from Group IoT Batalindo. We are going to represent our project-based learning titled Smart Trustbeam IoT Base. Our team member consists of
me, Pujiastuti Pradana as leader, and then
Aisyah Kraini, Mary Putri,
Fitra Septian,
Agni Ayuni, Maya Amzadul Wijaya,
Srivi Mutiara Barat,
Grace Ramanta Syekian.
Our project titled Smart Trustbeam IoT Base, and our project manager is Atayla Escom MCom. Next. This is our team member, Pujiastuti Pradana as the team leader, Aisyah Kraini, Mary Putri, Sylvia Mutabarat, Riris Yandian, Rahmi Ayuni, Fitra Septian, and Maya Agustin. Next. So this is the description of our project. The Internet of Things based Smart Trustbeam is a product equipped with advanced technology such as automatic sensors, internet connectivity, and data management capabilities. Its main purpose is to improve efficiency in waste management and support recycling programs. Next. This is the design for our Smart Trustbeam. At first we use infrared sensor to detect any movement to automatically open the lid of the Smart Trustbeam. And we have these three compartments here for organic waste, non-organic waste, and metal waste. In each of every compartment here, we have ultrasonic sensor to notify and give the message when the compartment is full. And the LCD here will display the message that ultrasonic has given. And there is also two types of sorting process here using the capacitive proximity and inductive proximity. For the microcontroller, we have Node MCU ESP32, and we use also power supply and motor servo here. Next. Next is the tool requirement for the hardware. We use ESP32 as the microcontroller that will read the data from the sensors. The second, we have the LCD screen here to provide users with instant feedback by displaying critical information such as the current field, the type of waste, and any necessary instructions. 3, we have cell phone here to precisely control the rotation and positioning of the internal mechanism. And this is the ultrasonic sensor to measure the capacity of the Trustbeam. Next. 5, we have this capacitive proximity to identify the material properties of waste by detect the difference in electrical capacitance. 6, we have this inductive proximity sensors to detect the metal waste. And 7, we have these infrared sensors to detect objects by analyzing the reflection of infrared light emitted by the sensor.
tool recruitment software. From programming logic, we use C++, JavaScript, CSS, framework Node.js, and then Express.js. From database, we use MySQL, and web server, we use SAMPP and Mosquito for MQTT breaker. Next, sensor simulation. This is sensor simulation for sensor ultrasonic, LED, LCD, and buzzer. Next, this is sensor simulation Smart Trustbeam, additional wiring for capacitive, inductive, and proximity sensor. Next, explanation of Smart Trustbeam system workflow. When the people throw their bag, there are 3 sensors for use this technology. There are sensor is sensor proximity inductive, sensor proximity capacitive, and then sensor ultrasonic. And then for our sensor are integrated to ESP32 for using Fuji Logic and Key-nearest Blackboard. And then ESP32 send sensor ultrasonic data to application database, and then microcontroller, and then microcontroller command to servo motor for move the garbage bin. ESP32 send a command to servo motor for move garbage cross section, and then make the sound buzzer if garbage is full.
Next, I will explain the website interface. This is a dashboard for teacher. Next. This is the trust status for teacher. Next. This is the trust location for teacher. Next. This is the task history for teacher.
So this is the categories menu view for admin. Here the admin has access to add new category. Next. This is the location menu view for admin. Here the admin can see location list, and then the admin has access to add new location. Next. Here this is a history menu for admin. Here the admin can see the history of waste disposal, and he can print the data of history. Next. This is the user data menu view for the admin. Here, the admin has access to add new user, and then edit user, and delete user.
This is sticker display give you notification for group of features to the collect the group. Next. This is display change teacher's account on application. Next. This is display metric for admin. Next. This is display status group, the admin page.
This is admin user view for admin. On this page, the admin must enter the request data, then click save to save the data. Next. This is edit user view for admin. On this page, the admin also must enter the request data, then click update data to save the data. Next. This is the view dashboard for janitor. Next. Here, status trash bin for janitor. This page covers type of waste, heavy, humidity, type, and status.
Next. This is view location for janitor. Next. This is history for janitor. Next. Obstacles to project completion. Lack of understanding of the Internet of Things. Choosing the design of the trash can and the components we will use on the smart trash can. Difficulty in assembling the sensor and integrating the components into website. There was damage to the sensor and tools we used which slowed and down our work. Lack of availability of the sensor and tools we need from the campus, so we incur personal costs. Poor self-management. Next. Effort to resolve these obstacles. Utilize online learning resources such as YouTube tutorial, conduct team discussion, and seek guidance from lecturers. Analyze existing smart bin design to get inspiration and understand the component that calls we as. Then we create a simple project scheme, dividing its teams, tasks, and testing its component. Selecting components that have proven to be reliable and compatible with the design system. Our team joined venture to reduce individual cost burden. Schedule meetings with team members to evaluate progress and address obstacles properly. Next. This is logbook our team.
Okay, this is a continuation from the previous logbook. Next. This is a division of the task. There is member name, contribution, and the output produced. Next. Next. This is our documentation that when developing smart trash bin IoT base.
There's a presentation for our team. If we have some mistake, please correct us. Thank you.
Thank you.